Right after the tragic news that a 4-year-old in Mobile may have died from the flu. An important message tonight from the health department.
News 5's Amber Grigley spoke with health officials to get an update on the flu season and why we could see cases remain high for weeks.
The CDC estimates that so far this season, there have been 19 million flu illnesses, 180,000 hospitalizations, and 10,000 deaths from the flu. Although it's February, the start of flu season, health officials believe those numbers will go up.
This year in Mobile, particularly, the influenza season started early, and it was somewhat different than most years where the influenza B virus was circulating more in the early part of the flu season than most years.
An alarming concern not only for Mobile, but the entire state. Dr. Randy Murphy says they thought because the season started early, they may see a decline, but that has not been the case.
Around 6 or 7% of all health care visits are related to influenza-like illness. And that's about twice as what we saw last week, and it's twice the threshold for concern for Alabama.
Dr. Murphy says they will probably continue to see elevated influenzas for many more weeks. As a Mobile County Sheriff Deputy Corporal Tim Anderson fighting for his life while currently suffering from the flu, and now a 4-year-old losing her life from flu complications, Dr. Murphy says it is best to stay ahead of the virus as much as possible.
We begin antivirals early. They can really help sort of mitigate or lessen the illness and maybe prevent complications. We do know that the antivirals that are currently available are effective against almost 100% of the viruses that are circulating.
Getting vaccinated is one measure you can use to protect yourself from the flu this season. But for now in Mobile County, I'm Amber Grigley, WKRG News 5.